ICSE Mathematics Class 10th Chapter 18 Exercise 18A Question number 6B. See the 6B, the marks are given here. The marks 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The numbers of students who secured is, see the number of students is 5, 10, 12, 8, 5. So the total number is 40. Now the product of frequency means the number of students multiplied by the marks. So what will be the result? 20 into 5, 100. 25 into 10, 250. 30 into 10, 12, that is 360. 35 into 8, 280. 40 into 5, that is 200. So the total number of students is 40, and the sum of fx means frequency and the marks has been multiplied, and its sum is equal to 1190. So in order to find out the mean, means sigma fx by n. N is 40, sigma fx is 1190. So divided it, we got 29.75, and this is the answer of B part of question number 6. Now come to the C part. X is given here 2, 5, 7, 8. Frequency is 2, 4, 6, 3. So these are the direct method by which we are doing some questions. So find out the product of f and x. Fx. So 2 into 4, 4 into 20, 6 into 42, 6 into 7, 6, 7, 4, 5 4 ja 20, 2 2 ja 4, 3 8 ja 24, and so on. And the sum of fx is equal to 90, and sum of the frequency is 15. Again calculation here, the mean is equal to sigma fx by n, that is 90 divided by 15, that is 6, and 6 is the answer of C part. Now come to the D part. Here x is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and frequency corresponding frequencies are 30, 60, 20, 40, 10, and 50. So the product is 30 into 0.1, 3, 60 into 0.2, 12, 20 into 0.3, 6, 40 into 0.4, 16, 10 into 0.5, 5, 50 into 0.6, 30. So in order to find out the frequency mean, so sigma fx, that is 72 total. Sigma fx is 72, and sigma f is, that is 210. So 72 divided by 210, that is 12 by 35. 12 divided by 35, that will be 0.34, and this will be the answer of question number 6 D part. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7, fill in blank. Fill in the blanks while calculating the mean of the group data. We make the assumption that frequency in any class is centered at its class mark or mid value. We assume it. That is why we find the class mark or mid value. So the filling the blank, the answer is class mark oblique mid value. Now come to the question number 8. Calculate the arithmetic mean. The marks are like 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, 40 to 48. Now the class mark, 0 plus 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 8 plus 16 divided by 2, that is 12. 16 plus 24 divided by 2, that is 20. 24 plus 32 divided by 2, that is 28. 32 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 36. 40 plus 48 divided by 2, that is 44. Now the corresponding frequencies are 5, 3, 10, 16, 4, 2. Now in order to find the value of fx, 4 into 5, 20, 12 into 3, 36, 20 into 10, that is 200, 28 into 16, that is 448, 36 into 4, 144, 44 into 2, that is 88. The summation of sigma fx is 936 and summation of f is 40. So in order to find the mean, means x bar, that is sigma fx by n. So it will be equal to 936 divided by 40, it will be equal to 23.4 and marks. This will be the mean. Now come to the question number 9. A. 9a. Find the mean of the following data. The marks are 10 to 14, 15 to 19. This class is inclusive. Inclusive class is given. You see 10 to 14, 15 to 19 means the 14 marks has been included here, included in the same class. 15 to 19 means 19 has been included in this class, means 15 also included and 19 also included. 20 to 24, 22, the class mark will be 22. First of all, you just add 20 and 24 divided by 2, that will get 22 in order to find the class mark. 25 to 29, so just add it, 25 plus 29 divided by 2, that is 27. 30 plus 34 divided by 2, that is 32. So class mark has been written here. So you see 10 plus 14, that is 12. 10 plus 14 divided by 2, that is 12. 15 plus 19 divided by 2. 20 plus 24, that is divided by 2. 25 plus 29 divided by 2, 27. 30 plus 34 divided by 2, 32. Now the frequency f student, that is corresponding frequency of the class 4, 6, 12, 5, 3 and total is 30. Now 12 into 4 means in order to find the effect, so 12 into 4, 48, 17 into 6, that is 102, 22 into 12, that is 264, 27 into 5, that is 135, 32 into 3, that is 96. So the total of sigma fx is equal to 645. So mean will be equal to, that is x bar is equal to sigma fx by n, that is 645 divided by 30, that will be equal to 21.5, and this will be the answer. Now come to the B part. You see the class is given, that is 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. This is also inclusive class. Means in the lower limit and upper limit both will be included in this class. Similarly in this class also 11 and 20 both will be included in this class. 21 to 30. In case of exclusive, we upper limit, the number which is called upper limit, that will be included in the next class, but here the upper and lower both will be included in the same class. Now the class mark, just to add 1 plus 10, that is 12, 11, 11 divided by 2, that is 5.5, 11 plus 20, 20 divided by 2, that is 15.5, 21 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 25.5, 31 plus 40 again divided by 2, that is we will get 35.5, 41 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 45.5. Now the class mark will be multiplied with the corresponding frequency. So 5.5 multiplied by 3, that will be equal to 16.5. 15.5 into 4, you will get 62. 25.5 multiplied by 2, that you will get 51. 35.5 into 5, that will be, you will get 177.5. 45.5 multiplied by 6, 273. 20 into, this is the total. So the summation of fx is 580. Summation of frequency is 20. So in order to find the mean x bar, that is 580. 580 divided by 20, that will be equal to 29. And 29 is the answer of B part, question number 9. Now come to the question number 10. In a class of 60 students, the marks obtained in the monthly test were as under. देखिए मार्क्स जो ऑप्टेंड है हुआ है 60 स्टूडेंट के द्वारा 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Here this class is exclusive, means 20 will not be included here. That will go in the next class. Similarly, 30 will be not included here. That will go in the next class. That is why it is called exclusive. Now come to the class mark. How to find the class mark? 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 55. In this way you can find out the class mark. Now you see here the deviation method I have used. Deviation means D. D means deviation. So here we have assumed the assumed mean. So you see, just I have assumed the middle one, that is 35. I just suppose मान लिया कि मैंने 35 ही इसका assumed mean, इसका mean कितना होगा 35. So the x minus assumed mean. X minus assumed means 15 minus 35, that is minus 20. 25 minus 35, that is minus 10. 35 minus 35, 0. 45 minus 35, that is 10. 55 minus 35, that is 20. Now it is the deviation. These are the deviation. Now this deviation has been divided by the class interval. अब देखिए 10 से 20 में कितना इंटरवल है 10 का, 20 से 30 10 का, 30 to 40 10 का, 40 to 50 10 का. So I is equal to 10, means the class interval is 10. So D is divided by 10. That will give you the value T. Means quotient will be T. So 10 to minus 20 divided by 10, that is 2, minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10, that is minus 1, 0. 10 divided by 10, that is 1. 20 divided by 10, that is 2. Now the number of the student frequency I have brought here. Corresponding frequencies are 10, 25, 12, 0, 8, 5. So the total is 60. Now find out the FT. FT means this T and F. Multiply it. Minus 2 into 10, that is minus 20. Minus 1 into 25, minus 25. 0 into 12, that is 0. 1 into 8, that is 8. 2 into 5, that is 10. So summation. देखिए माइनस का कौन कौन सा है minus 20 और minus 25. So total will be minus 45. Here plus का कितना है 8 and 10. So 18. So minus 45 plus 10 सॉल्व करेंगे तो minus 27 आएगा. Now come to this, the formula used. X bar is equal to assumed mean plus sigma ft इंटू आई अपॉन सिग्मा एफ। अब देखिए सिग्मा एफ टी बाई एफ इंटू आई, दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज द करेक्शन वर्क। Why it is known as correction work? Because we have taken assumed mean. Assumed mean हो सकता प्लस में जाए, हो सकता माइनस में जाए। तो in order to find the exact arithmetic mean, assumed mean plus sigma ft by sigma f into I. Now here assumed mean is 35. 35 plus minus 27, because we have got minus 27 here, you see, minus 27 divided by 60. So 35 minus 4.5, that will be equal to 30.5. This part is known as the correction work. So 35 minus 45. In order to find the exact mean, 35 will be subtracted, minus 4.5 will be subtracted from 35. The ultimate result is 30.5. This is the answer. Now come to the question number 11. You see, we have to do these questions by two methods, that is direct method and shortcut method. So you see here the class mark 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. Now in order to find the class mark, I have just written below it 5 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 7.5. 10 plus 10 plus 15, that is 25, 25 divided by 12.5 by 2, you will get 12.5. 15 plus 20, that is 35 divided by 2, that you will get 17.5. Similarly 20 plus 25 divided by 2, that you will get 22.5. Similarly here 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5. You see the what is the class interval? 5 to 10 का 5 का डिफरेंस है। यहाँ पर क्लास मार्क में भी देखिए 7.5 और 12.5 में क्या डिफरेंस है? 5 का। 12.5 और 17.5 में क्या डिफरेंस है? 5 का। हर एक जगह पर द क्लास इंटरवल का डिफरेंस जो है ऊपर वाले में और नीचे वाले में क्लास मार्क में भी सेम होगा। नाउ कम टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी। फ्रीक्वेंसी इज ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर 10 corresponding frequency 10, 6, 4, 12, 88, 4, 2, 1, 3. Now in order to get the fx value, क्योंकि हमें डायरेक्ट मेथड से भी निकालना है ना, सो fx निकालने के लिए हमने क्या किया? 10 इंटू 7.5, 75. 12.5 इंटू 6, that is 75. 4 इंटू 17.5, that is 70. 12 into 22.5, that is 270. 27.5 into 8, that is 220. 32.5 into 4, that is 130. 37.5 into 2, that is 75. 42.5 into 1, that is 42.5. 47.5 into 3, that is 142.5. Now the summation of sigma fx, that is 1100. Summation of f means frequency, that is capital N, that is 50 here. So first method is direct method. Now let us apply the direct method here. Bar x means mean of x, that is 1100 divided by 50, that will be equal to 22. This will be the answer. Now let us proceed how to find the by shortcut method. That we have to here assume. We have to assume mean. We have to here I have assumed mean that is 27.5. देखिए 27.5 क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, तो इन बिटवीन में आ रहा है, सबके बीच में आ रहा है 27.5। तो 27.5 को हमने एज्यूम मीन ले लिया है। जनरली हम लेते हैं कैलकुलेशन को इजी बनाने के लिए मिडिल वाला। सो हमने 27.5 को ले लिया। तो आप किसी को भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं एज्यूम मीन लेकर के, लेकिन मिडिल वाले को लेने से हमें सुविधा ये रहता है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन करने में भी आसानी रहता है और उसको और सॉर्ट करने में भी आसानी रहता है। इसलिए चलिए, डेविएशन मीन्स x माइनस ए। x माइनस ए का मतलब हो गया 7.5 माइनस एज्यूम्ड मीन, दैट इज 27.5. So we will get here minus 20. 12.5 माइनस 27.5. देखिए x माइनस ए लिखा हुआ है, a इज इक्वल टू 27.5. so minus 20 minus 12 minus 12.5 minus 27.5, that is minus 15. 17.5 minus 27.5, that will be minus 10. 22.5 minus 27.5, that is minus 5. 27.5 minus 27.5, that is 0. 32.5 minus 27.5, that is 5. 37.5 minus 27.5, that is 10. 42.5 minus 27.5, that is 15. 47.5 minus 27.5, that is 20. So in this way we will get the deviation. डेविएशन जो हिंदी में कहते हैं विचलन, माने अपने रास्ते से कितना, सेंट्रल पॉइंट. ऑल दीज मेथड्स आर टू फाइंड द मीन, मोड, मीडियन. दीज आर द मेथड टू फाइंड द सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, सेंट्रल पॉइंट को निकालने के लिए है, मीन पॉइंट. सो डी, दैट इज x माइनस ए. हियर वी हैव डन इट. नाउ कम टू द एफ डी, मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इंटू डेविएशन. 10 into minus 20, that is minus 200. 6 into minus 15, that is minus 90. 4 into minus 10, that is minus 40. 12 into minus 5, that is minus 60. 8 into 0, that is 0. 4 into 5, that is 20. 2 into 10, that is 20. 1 into 15, that is 15. 3 into 20, that is 60. So summation of FD means product of frequency and deviation, that will be minus 275. So in this shortcut method I have mentioned here, the shortcut method, that is x bar will be equal to assumed mean plus sigma FD by n. Sigma FD by n. N is total frequency. So 27.5, that is assumed mean, minus 275 divided by 50. So you will get 27.5 minus 5.5, that will be again 22. In both the methods we have got the same result, that is 22. This is the mean of the, and it will be the answer of question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. Here, just I read the questions. The following table gives the classifications of 100 cows of a dairy farm according to the amount of milk given by each in a dairy. Amount of milk and number of cows. You see here it is already specified that 100 cows are there, but the frequency, when I solved it, I got that frequency is 110, whereas it should be 100. Frequency should be equal to 100, but while I added it, I got the result 110. It means that something somewhere wrong. Anyhow, the answer is not this. In your book, the answer is something else, that is 10.1 kg. But I have done accordingly with the question given in the book. Now amount of milk, 0 to 2, that is 1. 2 to 4, that is 3. 4 to 6, तो क्लास मार्क क्या होगा? 4 + 6 कीजिए, 5 हो जाएगा। देखिए क्लास मार्क ले लिया हमने। 4 + 6 5, 4 + 6 10, 10 divided by 2 that is 5, 6 + 8 14 divided by 2 that is 7, 8 + 10 that is 18 divided by 2 that is 9, 10 + 12 that is 22 divided by 2 that is 11, 12 + 14 that is 26, that will be divided by 2 that is 13, 14 + 16 that is 14 + 16 that will be equal to 30 and divided by 2 that will be 15. 16 + 18 that will be equal to 34. 34 divided by 2 that will be 17. So number of cows. Now this number of cows indicate the frequency. So 4, 14, 17, 20, 10, 13, 12, 10, 10. So in this way, the summation of frequency and summation of number of cows is 110. Whereas in the starting of the question, it is mentioned that 100 cows are there. But the frequency is according to the given data, frequency, the sum of frequency is 110. Now take the fx, product of fx, means frequency and class mark. So 4 into 1, 4, 14 into 3, 42, 17 into 5, 85, 20 into 7, 140, 10 into 9, 90, 13 into 11, that is 143, 12 into 13, that is 156, 10 into 15, that is 150, 10 into 17, that is 170. So summation of fx is equal to 980. So the sigma bar, bar of x means mean will be equal to 980 divided by 110. It will be equal to 8.90. This will be the answer of question number 12. But this answer does not tally with the answer given in your book. Technical difference is this, that the number of the cows is given 100, whereas in the book the data given is for 110 cows. Now come to the question number 13. The weight in grams of 50 apples picked out at random from a consignment are given below. अब देखिए हमारे को एक कंसाइनमेंट है जिसमें एप्पल रखे हुए हैं, सेब रखे हुए हैं, उनका वजन ग्राम में दिया, वेट इन ग्राम। अब वो दिया है इसलिए हमारे को टैली मार्क्स बनाना पड़ रहा है। 70 से लेकर के 89 ग्राम के वजन के जितने भी एप्पल हैं उनकी संख्या कितनी है। टैली मार्क्स देखिए 5, 5, 2 मीन्स 5 और 5 प्लस कीजिए 10, 10 + 2 12, फ्रीक्वेंसी 12 हो गया। 90 से लेकर के 109 ग्राम, इसका टैली मार्क्स है देखिए 5, 5, 5 + 5 दैट इज 10, 10 + 4 14, 14 लिख दिया। आई होप आप लोग जानते होंगे टैली मार्क्स कैसे तैयार करते हैं। 110 से लेकर के 129 देखिए 5, 5, 5 और 1 16, 130 to 149 दैट इज 5, 5, 5 150 से लेकर के 169 देयर इज नो एनी एप्पल ऑफ दिस ग्रुप क्लास, सो द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 0। 170 to लेकर के 189 that is 2, tally marks is 2, so the frequency is 2. 190 to 209 that is 1, so the frequency is 1. The class mark means 70 + 89, 2 से डिवाइड किया 79.5, 90 और 109 को प्लस किया और 2 से डिवाइड किया 99.5, 110 + 129 को प्लस किया और 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 119.5। 130 से लेकर के 149 को प्लस किया, दोनों को अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट को प्लस करके 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 139.5। हियर 150 और 169 को प्लस किया 159.5 2 से डिवाइड करने पर। 170 से लेकर के 189 को प्लस किया दोनों को और 2 से डिवाइड किया तो कितना आया 179.5। 170 प्लस 209 को प्लस किया और 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 199.5। Now in order to find the fx means frequency is here 12, और इन दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई किया 12 इंटू 79.5 954, 14 इंटू 99.5 1393, 16 into 119.5 that is 1912, 5 into 139.5 that is 697.5, 0 into 159.5 that is 0, 2 into 179.5 that is 359, 1 into 199.5 that is 199.5. So the summation of f means frequency. Total frequency is here 50. Sigma fx means the product, sum of the product of the frequency and class mark, that is 5515. So x bar, that is the frequency, mean, x bar, that is mean. So 5515 divided by 50, it will be equal to 110.3 grams. This will be the mean. Now the range of the weight. First part is asked that what is the range of the weight. So highest weight minus lowest weight. That is 204 is the highest weight, 204 grams, or lowest weight is 70 gram. So the difference between these two is known as range. That is 134. Now the frequency distribution as above. This process complete is known as frequency distribution. How to make the frequency and other classes according to the classes. Now come to the mean. Mean is 110.3 grams. So this question number 13 is completed now.